Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Bluetooth. So in this particular model, this is the interface. In some of the other models, there might be like a bigger touch screen here. That one should be more self-explanatory. There'll be like settings and then like some Bluetooth options where you can add that way. Obviously, this doesn't have the touch screen, so you're going to have to use in this vehicle the voice commands. So basically, you'll just follow the prompts that it walks you through as it's asking questions from the vehicle, and you want to have your phone ready as well. Varies by every device, but you want to make sure you have your Bluetooth on and be in a mode where you can find the Bluetooth. But we'll start walking through the prompts here. And if somehow your vehicle doesn't have these sort of prompts, like this little, looks like kind of a talking head, your vehicle might not be equipped with the voice controls. And if that's the case where you don't have any voice controls and you have something that's not a touchscreen display, you might not have Bluetooth available in your vehicle, which case you might need to get like an aftermarket radio installed, or one of those like plug-ins that'll plug in like the aux that you can connect to, or there's some devices that you can connect through like a radio frequency signal. But again, this particular model, you can connect with these voice controls. So we'll attempt to do that now.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
So again, we'll have to wait till it fails, and then it'll give us some prompts to add a new phone or delete a phone, etc. So in this case, we're going to add a phone. Let's see, it can add this one.
Phone found. Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
So this one's going to turn to My Car.
Handset, enter the pin 1234. For further instructions,
My Car.
Refer to your phone's user manual.
And it said 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty standard on a lot of these different cars.
Incorrect pin entered. Use 1, 2, 3,
Oops,
4.
I must have hit a letter on accident.
The system is searching for your phone.
So I have to do that again.
Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth
My Car.
device called My Car. When requested by the handset,
1,
enter the pin
2, 3, 4.
For further
Pair.
instructions,
And that's it. So it should all be connected now.
place 815.
I'm not going to sync all my stuff to the car, but obviously you would probably want to if it's your own. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.